on class 2 for speech.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम मीरा है। मैं आज पाकिस्तान के लिए एक सलाम पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। My name is Hazid. This is our flag. Green color for Muslims, white color for non-Muslims. Muslims progress, dark for light and money. Pakistan जिंदाबाद। Thank you.
Thank you all so much. Now it's time for another amazing performance.
ऐ मेरे वतन तेज कदम हो, फिर तुझसे मिलाए वो कदम जिसमें के दम हो।
ऐ मेरे वतन तेज कदम हो, फिर तुझसे मिलाए वो कदम जिसमें के दम हो।
ऐ मेरे वतन तेज कदम हो, फिर तुझसे मिलाए वो कदम जिसमें के दम हो। ऐ मेरे वतन ऐ पाक चमन ऐ पाक चमन। तेज कदम हो, फिर तुझसे मिलाए वो कदम जिसमें के दम हो। जाना है हमें वक्त की रफ्तार से आगे, सूरज की किरण हमसे न पहले कभी जागे। कुव्वत के जो मजबूत हो धागे, टूटे न कभी अज़्म न हिम्मत कभी कम हो। फिर तुझसे मिलाए वो कदम जिसमें के दम हो।
मेरे वतन है पाक चमन है पाक चमन।
मेरे वतन तेज कदम हो, फिर तुझसे मिलाए वो कदम जिसमें के दम हो।
For this energetic performance, I will invite my friend Huzaifa to share about Pakistan Day. Today, Mr. Huzaifa, 23rd March is celebrated as Pakistan Day throughout the country with great passion to recall the efforts of the leaders for passing the Pakistan Resolution on 23rd March 1940. Thank you.
अब मैं उमर को दावत दूंगी कि वो आए और हमें 23 मार्च के बारे में आगाह करें।
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद उमर है। आज मैं आपको 23 मार्च के बारे में बताऊंगा। 23 मार्च को हमें पाकिस्तान के नाम से याद रखा जाता है। ये दिन हमें याद दिलाता है कि हमारे बुजुर्गों ने पाकिस्तान लेने के लिए करारदाद पेश की। इस करारदाद को करारदाद पाकिस्तान कहा जाता है। ये करारदाद मौलवी AK फजल हक ने पेश की। ये दिन आज भी हमारे अंदर पाकिस्तान की मोहब्बत जताता है। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। शुक्रिया। At last, it's my classmate Ilyana Stan to come and take the stage.
Today I'm going to share a few lines of Pakistan Day. Pakistan Day is celebrated on 23rd March. This date holds special importance in the history of Pakistan. Yes, Pakistan resolution was passed on 23rd March 1940. This resolution is also known as Lahore Resolution. This day reminds us of the courage and bravery of our leaders. May Allah protect our homeland, Pakistan Zindabad.
Turn for the students of class nursery to come and sing Dil Dil Pakistan.
Dil Pakistan ja ja Pakistan
दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान। ज़मीन और आसमां
इनके सिवा जाना कहाँ करती रहे ये रोशनी जलता रहे ये कारवां दिल दिल पाकिस्तान।
Fatma Imtiaz to share a few lines about Pakistan Day.
Respected teachers and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Yes, today the nation is celebrating Pakistan Resolution Day. Yes, every year on 23rd March we commemorate this day. The army does the parade and the air force performs flypast at Islamabad. But do we know why this day is so important? Do we know why is it important? Yes. In 1940, 23rd March was the day that the idea of Pakistan was conceived. This is a historic day, and we must understand that even though Pakistan came into being on 14th of August 1947, but its conceptual foundations were laid on 23rd March 1940. That is why this is very important, and it was 7 years before Pakistan came into being. When the Lahore Resolution calling for a separate homeland for the Muslims of subcontinent was passed. Every year when we remember this day, we must remember the sacrifices of our forefathers, and we must promise ourselves to, what is the promise that we are going to do with ourselves? क्या promise करेंगे बच्चों?
To take care of our country.
To be loyal and faithful to our country, to our motherland, okay? And never take this hard-earned freedom for granted. Thank you, thank you. In the end, I would like to thank all the teachers. Thank you for never letting me down. And thank you all the children. Well done. Beautiful performances. Clap for yourself.